Hello guys, so I'll take you through how you can deploy your Laravel project on a shared hosting space. Alright, so what I'll do is to create a subdomain, and on my domain I'll go to domain and click subdomain. Alright, so let's give our subdomain name. So I will use test. Okay. And the folder that we'll upload the project into. Okay. So I'll call that one to test. Alright, so I'll create. Alright, so when you click on create, alright, so subdomain created successfully. Alright, so our next step is to go to the file manager where we'll upload the project to. Okay, alright. So before then, you can create our database too as well. So locate database, go to mysql database. Okay. Alright, this take it too long too. Alright, so your database username. So I'll use test here too as well. And I'll use test just to make everything simple. And the password too, I'll use test. If only they will accept it. Alright, so it's too short, so you can use any password. Just make sure you don't forget. Alright, so I'm using test into, let's see. Okay, alright, so it's great. Let me copy this down. I don't want to forget. So I'll paste this so I can remember. Alright, so as you can see, our database is here, the test we've created is here. So I'll go to php-admin. So this is where I'm going to upload my SQL file so I can connect it to my project. Okay, so I'll wait for it to load and let's see. Alright, so our public HTML is ready now. So this is a folder, the test we've created. Okay, so what I'll do is to upload my listing here. So up here you see an upload. I want to upload file. Alright, so I'm picking from the project. So make sure you know that your project location. Okay, so go to let me go here. So I have this. So this is a project. So make sure you zip the project before you zip it. Alright, so I wait for it to upload. Wow, this will take some time though, but don't worry. Alright, so now the database is being created. So what I need to do is to import an SQL file. Alright, so I'll go and import. So I have it a database. So make sure you know your location, okay, where your SQL file is. I'll open it. and click on this go. Okay, and wait for it to be created. So let's check on our file. It's taking a bit long time. Alright, so we wait. Our database tree is being uploaded, so let's wait. Alright guys, so import has been completed. Then we check on our file too. Alright, so it's here. So all you need to do is to extract this, just an archive. I want to archive it here. Alright, so you just let's give it where. Alright, it takes some time. So now our database is also ready. Alright, so wait for it. Okay, so it's done. So all we need to do is to open this and mark everything. Just select everything in this. Select everything in this. Select everything and move it. So we are moving it. Double click. We are moving to test. Alright, so we are done moving it. Alright, so it's now empty. So you can now delete this file. Okay. So you can choose to leave your zip file or delete it. Alright. Now what we need to do is to connect the database to this file .env. Okay, so what I'll do is to note your database name. We'll copy this and your server, the IP. Okay, so I'll go here, right click, double click. So you're going to open. Alright, so here you can put your subdomain link. Okay, so the subdomain link should be there. This link, just the subdomain you've created. So go to domains, go to subdomain. Okay, so it's here. So this is the domain you've created. So copy this to this file. Copy this. So make sure you provide a link. You don't have to change this to test. Okay. Alright, so you can change the app name to test. Put at production. Leave it at debug. Let it be true. Now this is where we have to connect the database. So I'll go here, change this. So this is our databases. Copy this and go here and paste it there. You know our username too as well. So paste it there and the password. I have my password. I'll copy it, go and paste it. Alright, so we can also change this app key. Okay, after we finish, we'll change the app key as well. Alright, so save. Alright, so we are done connecting our database. Okay. Alright, so make sure you have the public folder set. Okay. Alright, so we'll try our project and see if it's working. So let's enter the link. Okay. Alright. So we are done. So it's been connected successfully. So if you know the password to your dashboard or to your whatever it is, if it's a dashboard, you need a password, or if you do it as free access, that's cool. So I can now log in. Wow, so perfect, you've done it. So your database is also here. You can check the structure. Your files are also here. So it's very, very easy. And you can also delete the default this one. You can delete this one as well. And also maybe in case if you have an error, here that you can access the website, all you have to do is to go to your public folder and this, and you can edit it, or you can copy some. You can check on this, and that's all. Your site will work perfectly. Thank you for watching.